Welcome back, guys, and today in this video we are going to make another kind of wayang, and this time the character is Semar, one of the gods that's really influential in Indonesian wayang story. So here I am with the plain paper, A4 paper, and I'm just starting to create the face and also following with the hair, also the body. Semar have a very big body and it has a very significant look on its hands. As you can see, I'm drawing the batik as its clothing, and I put the tail there, a bow tie, and as you can see here on the hands, one of the hands will be pointing downwards and the other one is pointing upwards, which actually symbolize one looking at the bottom at the world and the other is pointing to the heavens. As you can see, I'm just coloring it up. Well, Semar has a dark body and right now I only have a brown marker with me, so I'm just going to color the body, hands, and all the rest with the brown color. But Semar also have a white face, so that's why I'm just leaving the face as it is. Now we are done with the drawing, so we're just going to cut out the drawing and following the outline. And preparing it for our wayang. Now I've done with the hands and the other one with the pointy hand that will be pointing downwards. As you can see here, I have one in the front is pointing downwards and the other one is facing to the heavens. So I already marked the hole where I'm going to punch the holes for the hands. And as you can see here, I'm planning to make just one hole in the body, but apparently I made the wrong hole on the body itself, so I'm just going to color it up and make another marking for its hole and punch a hole in that also. I only use a very sharp pencil, so it doesn't matter as long as it doesn't rip the whole paper itself. Now to put them together, you will need a string, some paper, and also a sticky tape. As you can see, I'm making the hole for the arms and the body using the paper, which I roll like this. And I'm done with one, and I'm just going to roll the other one and also put sticky tape on it. As you can see, I also use a used paper because basically it doesn't matter which paper you're using as long as it can be rolled. We can use it for the puppet movement. Now here I'm just putting the string into the hole, and as you can see, I'm using a pen to help me put the strings, and there you go, sticky tape it, and for the other one just pull it and then finishing up with another sticky tape. As you can see, I just colored the rope, the string, so it has the same color. I'm just going to put these sticks for the puppets so I can move them around as I play it. So I use sticky tape at the back. I use 2 sticky tape so it doesn't go anywhere. And here I put some rope on the other sticks so I can have some movement for the hand and it doesn't just stays and it will ruin the movement. So I'm just putting the string there and just sticky tape it, and as you can see here, the hands can move and also we can play it with the body. So as you can see here on the example, like in the beginning of the video, it's a very simple method, but this is how they play it in wayang kulit show. They put a light source behind the wayang and the dalang will play it like this. Well then, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!